Here, here, I would say this is the SFTP server, so that I have installed yesterday. The server name, you can say this is something complete FTP setup. This is a paid version, but I downloaded the trial one. So after installing this SFTP server, then we need to configure it. So now I configured one user, SFTP user one, and I set a password for that. I have written in Notepad. This is the user and password is this one, and even you can set the public key for that particular user. So even here also, after setting up all the things, you can mark how to authenticate, how the communication should happen, how some other client will connect with us, using password, using public key, or using both public key as well as password. So you can choose as per your preference. So the things come to our mind, then where the file will save. So then we have to create one folder. So here we created one folder. You see, this is the folder we created. So this need to be added to SFTP server so that it will understand how we need to give the access for that particular user to this directory. So, so I've added this in folder configuration. So here it is. So you can change the access type like read only or read write, all the things. So which kind different kind of formation you can add over there. So I have added read write, admin access, read write, delete everything. So I have added to this user. So so by default, I will see a server side. In server side, you can add IPs what you want, but these are the default IPs you will find. Then you can select from those IPs in which IP you want to access this particular server. So you will see as it is running on my local machine. So here you will see. Uh, the IP I have configured is this is the one I have configured here. So let's see, this is the one configured, and this is the IP for local host. You can select or you can use this one. So even the same thing I have to configure in application side as well. So I configured here in my application property. So this is the host. This is the host. I added this IP to an application, and it is running on port 22. If you see here that uh, our SFTP server, which is running on port number 22. So I have added that one, and this is my user, and this is my password. So even you need to mention some timeout, session timeout, channel timeout, these kind of things. So which is application related stuffs. So let's go to I have written some code which will actually read that file and put that file to that particular folder that we have created. Here, this is the folder that things will come to here only. So now see, this is the empty folder. So once we will run the folder, the things will come to here only. So as we mentioned that particular directory. So this is the file I want to move this file to um, SFTP share folder. So that will copy it. So This is a physical file, you can say. Now let's move. uh, yes, and you'll see this particular file, you can say the directory is here only. So here when you can see, do property check, this is a directory for that particular file. So it is not there inside that SFTP share folder. So this is different. Then I'm saying that this is my local directory. You need to um, copy this particular file to remote directory with the file name this one, and remote directory already there in server configuration. So server will understand that, just I need to put for this user, I need to put the file in that particular directory only. So here is the actual code, which these are the code to, just to create that XML. So don't need to worry about this, but this is the actual code which will do transfer, actual transfer. So this is the one actually. This is the one is doing the actual transfers and connection and transfers of the things by reading the property that we have provided. So and even this is not only for the transfer, file transfer, even we can download the file from the SFTP server. So let's see, let's run our code. So this is my simple Spring Boot application. So I'm running this. So now it's off. Yes, now it's off. Let's clear this console. Come back here. Then this is my URL or API, you can say that I'm going to here already is there. So there's something you can local presence. Until it's hit this, it won't show anything because it is something related to upload only. That's why it is not showing. It is showing only error, but that is okay. So it will check in that effective share folder. Something is there. So here you will find this is the file which has been transferred this this directory, from this directory to this directory. So let's open it. The same thing you will find. So let's delete it. Hit it again. Hit that service again. So I'm hitting this service again. So let's come back here again. And again, see this is there. So let's change something to cross verify. This is the true file. Let's verify. Let's change something here in this actual XML. Let's say something called. Let's see. When we save it, it will automatically refresh. So stop again. So nothing is there. So we'll hit our service. Sorry, we'll hit our service again. Now come back to that asset. So yes, it is there. Yes, yes, it is there. Even we can change the file name as well. It's is our requirement says so. So even we can add timestamp as well. So let's change file name after that again on its own. Or let me say so the file will be created in SFTP server folder once we hit our service. So let's see. What is getting? Yes, it is there. So This is how it is working. Even we can download that file from a particular folder of SFTP server. So next time I'll show that as well. So how it is working. Thank you for watching this.